Hi artists! Welcome back to Sketching with Miss Lulu. Today we're going to sketch one of the ocean's smoothest flyers. That's right, a stingray. Grab your pencil, let's let it glide onto your paper.
Before we start, meet my daughter's very fluffy stingray friend. We found this little guy at an art market. And I mean, how could we not bring him home? All right, artists, let's begin very lightly. Start by drawing a simple box shape. This is the main body of our stingray. Now from one corner, add a long pointed tail. Keep everything loose and light. We're just building our structure. Now comes the fun part. Let's make those straight lines wiggly. Stingrays are smooth and flowy, not stiff like boxes. Don't forget the little spine on the tail. This is where the sting in stingray comes from. Now let's add details. We're gonna draw two small eyes. Tiny spiracles, those are how the stingray breathes. Now add a few gill openings. Take your time here, and once you are happy, gently erase any straight construction lines. Now we're ready to bring our stingray to life. Go over your drawing and sharpen the outlines. Add the small lines around the edges of the body to show texture and movement. Then begin shading, pressing a little darker near the center and lighter towards the edges. You can stop here or take it further. Maybe your stingray is gliding through the ocean, resting on the sandy seafloor, or swimming with fish friends. Every stingray is unique, just like your art. Thank you so much for sketching with me today. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back for more sketching adventures. Now let your stingray glide, and I'll see you next time.